I'm so very excited about this resource because Power BI gives us an opportunity to teach students a skill that connects directly to the way organizations are using data today. Business students are surrounded by data, but the real value comes from knowing what to do with it. How do we bring information together from different sources? How do we clean it? How do we analyze it? And most importantly, how do we turn all that data into something that helps people make better decisions? That is exactly what Microsoft Power BI allows us to do. Power BI can add value across the business curriculum, including accounting, finance, business analytics, information systems, marketing, operations, and other courses where students work with data. That is why Dr. Stephen Owen and I developed the Microsoft Power BI desktop technology module through MyEducator. We wanted to create a resource that faculty could bring into a course without having to develop all the instruction, videos, data sets, exercises, and assessments themselves. One of the things I like most about the module is that students do not just learn a collection of unrelated Power BI features. We walk them through the entire Power workflow from connecting to raw data all the way through publishing finished reports. And we organize that journey around 5 major steps. The first step is connect. Students learn how Power BI can connect to a variety of data sources, including Excel, workbooks, CSV files, folders, databases, web-based data, and other sources they are likely to encounter in the business world. The goal is to help students understand that useful information rarely comes from one perfectly prepared file. Power BI gives us the ability to bring those different sources together. The second step is shaping the data with Power Query. Students learn how to profile, clean, transform, merge, append, and organize raw data before analysis begins. Just as important, they learn that Power Query records those transformation steps. That allows us to create repeatable processes instead of manually cleaning the same data every month, quarter, day, or year. This is one of the features that makes Power BI so useful in real business environments. The third step is data modeling and DAX. Students learn how to use Power BI's modeling tools to organize data into meaningful tables, create relationships, work with fact and dimension tables, and build models that support reliable analysis. They are also introduced to DAX, the calculation language used in Power BI, and learn how to create new calculated columns and measures that add analytical value to the data. The fourth step is visualization, and this is where students really begin to see their work come to life. They build Power BI report pages using charts, tables, matrices, cards, maps, slicers, and other visuals designed to answer specific business questions. But Power BI reports are much more than static charts. Students also learn how to create interactivity through slicers and filters, explore information using drill-down capabilities, and build reports where users can move from a high-level result into increasingly detailed information. The result is a much richer way to explore and communicate with data. The fifth and final step is to publish. Students learn how completed Power BI reports can move beyond our Power BI desktop and be published so others can interact with the results. After all, the ultimate goal of business intelligence is not simply to build a report. It is to get useful information into the hands of the people who need it. The Power BI content is only part of the experience. Because the module is delivered through MyEducator, students also have access to the learning tools MyEducator resources are known for. The module includes hours of guided instructional videos, hands-on data sets and exercises, review activities, and assessments. Students can also use MyEducator tools such as the built-in virtual assistant, interactive glossary, highlighting, notes, study tools, and other features that allow them to engage with the material in different ways. Our goal is not for students to simply read about Power BI. We want them working in Power BI throughout this module. Students download files, follow guided video demonstrations, complete exercises, answer business questions, and actually build Power BI solutions themselves. By the end, students have gone from raw data to complete interactive business reports. And upon successful completion, students can earn a Microsoft Power BI Desktop Certificate of Completion, recognizing the skills they have developed throughout this module. If you are looking for a practical way to introduce Power BI into your accounting, finance, analytics, information systems, or broader business curriculum, I would love for you to take a closer look at this resource.